Yes, good evening. First tonight, 3 sisters who all developed breast cancer within a year and a half have uncovered some of the mystery surrounding their shared condition.
Well, Mary, Sandra and Kerry Lloyd were among the first patients to join the National 100,000 Genomes Project.
And scientists at the University of Leicester have been working on their case for years. Our health correspondent Rob Sisson's report on the journey of discovery the sisters have been on.
The Lloyd sisters. 4 years ago, they set out at the Leicester Royal Infirmary to answer a big question. Why did they all get breast cancer within 15 months of each other?
To be hit with the diagnosis, it was just terrifying.
The family can't take any more because, you know, it's such a huge shock.
Well, you couldn't write it, could you, really?
Mary was diagnosed at the end of 2013. 2 months later, it was sister Kerry. Then Sandra discovered she had the disease.
Cousins were also diagnosed as
3
well.
other relatives in the family have also had cancer.
Our mother had breast cancer and she had the cancer twice.
So beginning with a simple blood test, the sisters were among the first cancer patients to take part in the National 100,000 Genomes Project. It involved analysing each individual's genome, their genetic blueprint, 20,000 genes. The equivalent of 6 billion letters of information is analysed. 4 years on, and the sisters have discovered from their NHS genetics consultant and analysis by the University of Leicester why some of them got cancer.
2 of them had a specific alteration in a gene called PALB2, and that gene is associated with an increased risk of breast cancer, but also a slightly increased risk of ovarian cancer, prostate cancer and pancreatic cancer.
Mary has the mutated gene PALB2. Younger sister Sandra also has the genetic variant, but Kerry doesn't have it. She's still got cancer though.
It could have been anything, but it was that gene. So I think for us as a family, it's really important.
If you can find out if you've got the gene and you can do preventative things, then I think that's a good thing.
Now another sister, Bethan, has been tested. She hasn't had cancer, but does have the gene.
I was quite devastated. For my children, they can be tested now because I'm a carrier.
It's really important that people take the time to think about whether to undergo this type of test. Once you receive the result, you can never go back and unknow that sort of information.
Well, I think it's unfair, I think it's awful, but if they're the cards you dealt, you've got to get on with it. You've got to do your best, you know, try to keep positive.
They've no regrets about taking part. They say knowledge is power and hope this branch of medicine, genomics, will offer hope to millions of people. Rob Sissons, BBC East Midlands Today, Leicester.